The body of this car had been scratched with a knife and we were contacted for repairs. First, we smoothed the inside of the scratch with 1500 grit sandpaper, and finally we mattify the scratch with 2500 grit sandpaper. Mix the appropriate car paint with hardener in a ratio of 1:2 and fill in the scratch using a bank card. Press the card well until the scratch is filled. Do this in 3 steps until the scratch is completely filled. Using 2500 grit sandpaper, remove excess paint around the scratch and finally sand with 3000 grit. In the polishing stage, apply heavy cut polish first and super finish shine second.